Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of x plus square root of 3 equals 3. Solving for the value of x. Now, since we have square root and square root here, we can decide to take the squares of both part of this equation. So we have square root of x plus root of 3. This is raised to the power of 2 equals 3 power 2. Now, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2 equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. So that means we are going to have square root of x to the power of 2 plus square root of 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 times square root of x times square root of 3 equals 3 power 2. This eliminates this, so we have x plus 3 plus 2 times root x times root 3. We have root 3x equals 3 power 2, 9. So from here, let's isolate this 2 times root 3x. We move this over here and we move this over here. So what we are going to do is to have our 2 times square root 3x equals 9 minus 3 minus x. From here we have 2 times root 3x equals 9 minus 3, that is 6 minus x. So from here, we divide this by 2. We divide this by 2. This eliminate this. We have square root of 3x equals 6 minus x divided by 2. We take the squares of both sides of this equation. So what happens here is that the square root cancels the square. We have 3x equals, for this, we multiply it twice. So we have 6 minus x divided by 2 times 6 minus x divided by 2. So right now we have 3x equals 6 times 6. That is 36. 6 times minus x minus 6x minus x times 6 minus 6x minus x times minus x plus x squared divided by 2 times 2. We have 4. This gives us 3x equals 36 minus 12x plus x squared divided by 4. This is over 1, so we cross multiply. 4 times 3x, that is 12x, equals 36 minus 12x plus x squared. Move this over here. We have 0 equals 36 minus 12x plus x squared minus 12x. This is 0 equals 36 minus 24x plus x squared. So let's rearrange. We have x squared minus 24x plus 36 equals 0. A quadratic equation that we are going to solve for x using the formula method. Let's write the formula in respect to x. So we have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the equation of x squared. B equals negative 24. And c equals 36. So from here, We have x equal, this is negative times negative 24 plus or minus square root of b squared. That's negative 24 to the power of 2 minus 4 times is 1 times c. That's 36 divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So from here, we have x equal, this is 24 plus or minus square root of 24 squared, that is negative 24 squared, that is 24 times negative 24, that is 576. This is minus 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 36, that is 144, so we have 144 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 144, that is 432. So this is 432 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 24 plus or minus square root of 432 is the same thing as having 144 times 3 divided by 2 equals, this is 24 plus or minus square root of 144 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have equals 24 plus or minus, this is 12 times root 3 divided by 2. This cancels 1, this cancels 6, this cancels 12. So from here, we have x equals 12 plus or minus 6 root 3. So we have two values for x. x1 equals 12 plus 6 root 3. And our x2 equals 12 minus 6 root 3. So let's verify each of the solutions. Now, this is to verify. We have root x plus root 3 equals 3. x1 equals 6 plus 12 root 3. x2 equals 6 minus 12 root 3. Rather, it is 12 plus 6 root 3 and 12 minus 6 root 3 respectively. Now we have our solutions right here. Let's insert it right here. So we have square root of x, the first one. Let's consider this. We have x is 12 plus 6 root 3 plus root 3 is it 3. Now, what you should know is that 6 root 3, adding it to 12 will give you a value greater than 3. Even when you find the square root of it, it's going to give you a value greater than 3. Plus square root of 3 is obviously greater than 1. So you have a number greater than 3 here, adding it to a number greater than 1 here. This and this can never give you 3. You can confirm this using your calculator, but it will never give you 3. It's going to be more than 3. Now let's consider when x equals 12 minus 6 root 3. So we have square root of 12 minus 6 root 3 plus square root of 3 equals 3. So if you have this 12 minus 6 root 3 and this 6 root 3 is obviously 10 point something, so 12 minus 10 point something will give you a number less than 2. So this is square root of a number that is less than 2 plus square root of 3 will it give you 3? Question mark. Now, since this is probably less than 2, so the square root of this number will give you obviously 0 point something. And if you add it to square root of 3, it's about 1.73. So this is about 0 point something. Now, if you add it to this, maybe 0.6 also. So if you add it to this particular value here, obviously this is approximately to 3. So this is very close to 3 based on what we have done, but we are not using calculator. So all these are ways of verifying the solution, but the one that is giving us very close approximate is 12 minus 6 root 3. So I feel this is the correct answer based on what we have done so far. So the value of x that satisfies this equation is 12 minus 6 root 3, not 12 plus 6 root 3. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.